Hello students, I hope all of you are well at home. Today we will learn the topic Sense Organs Part 2, which is under Class 5 Subject Science, Chapter 10, our Nervous System. Students, in our previous video we have learned about Sense Organs Part 1, in which we learned about the eyes and the ears, and also we learned how to take care of the eyes and ears. Today we will learn about the sense organs, the nose, the tongue and the skin. So I will just recall the definition of sense organs. The organs which connect us to the outside world are known as sense organs. So the organs which connect us which helps us to connect to the outside world are known as sense organs. Now we know that we have 5 sense organs in our body. We have 5 sense organs in our body. What are they? The eyes, the ears, the nose, the tongue and the skin. So students, in our previous video, that is Sense Organs Part 1, we have already learned about the eyes and the ears. Today we will learn about the nose, the tongue and the skin. And we will also learn how to take care of the nose, the tongue and the skin. So I will show you some pictures and I will explain along with the pictures. So you observe the pictures carefully and listen to my explanation properly. First we will learn about the human nose. We breathe and smell through our nose. The sense of taste and the sense of smell are linked with one another. There are many nerve endings in the upper part of our nose. These are sensitive to smell. We should know how to take care of the nose. Keep your nostrils clean by blowing your nose gently. The hair inside the nose keep out dust that is present in the air. So breathe through your nose and not through your mouth. You should always breathe through your nose. Do not prick your nose. Inhale steam to clear a blocked nose. Next we will learn about the tongue. The tongue is the main organ of taste and it enables us to speak. The surface of the tongue is covered with tiny bumps. Inside these bumps are some cells called taste buds. The nerve endings in the taste buds detect the 4 major tastes, that is sweet, salty, sour and bitter. Food tastes better when we can smell it. When a cold blocks our nose, food does not taste so good. Next we will learn about the skin. The skin forms the outermost covering of our body. It protects the internal organs. We can feel the sensation of touch, heat, pain or pressure because of our skin. The pores on the surface of the skin allow some body waste to come out as sweat. We should take proper care of the skin. Soap and water are enough to remove dirt and sweat from the skin. So we should clean our skin with soap and water regularly. Dry yourself thoroughly after bathing and wear clean and comfortable clothes. Avoid wearing tight clothes. Clothes should be loose enough for the passage of fresh air when the weather is warm. A scratch or cut on the skin should be treated with an antiseptic lotion to prevent infection. So students, today we learned about the sense organs, the nose, the tongue and the skin. So we should take proper care of our sense organs as they are a very important part. They help us to connect to the outside world. Without the sense organs, we will not be able to connect to the outside world. So we should properly take care of our sense organs. So students, this is all about today's topic, that is sense organs part 2. I hope students you have understood today's topic properly. So study properly at home, take care of yourself, prepare properly for your upcoming exam.